What's up, everybody? It's Monday. It's gonna be a hot one today. I'm working on a motorhome, installing a clear bra on the front end, and yeah, never done one of those. Done mini graphics on mini RVs, but never clear bra. So yeah, should be fun, exciting. I'm gonna learn something, and you might learn something. Yeah, so stick around. It's getting warm already. Got my film. Got my surface all prepped, cleaned. Let's see how this turns out. A little bit nervous, but pretty confident that it's gonna work out. Alright, I thought I was gonna try to do this all in one piece, but it's not gonna work. I'm gonna do this bottom middle section, 2 corners, and then the top piece. That's how it was originally. Anyways, it'll still look really good because I'm using STEK. So there's a seam right there. There's a seam right here. Yeah, and there's a seam right there. You can't see it. And it goes all the way up to here. So I got that on. I got this on. They gotta repair this before I can put the clear bra on there. I'm gonna do the other mirror corner cap piece thing. on there. I got a seam. Same place on the same side, so it's even. Yeah, got it all tucked in on there. There's some hard cut lines from the previous install. They took it all off so they could repaint part of this. I'm in a paint booth actually. Can you tell? Look at that. This is a big paint booth for motorhomes and buses and stuff. Yeah, I was working, I'm like, man, what is this smell? It smells like wet wood. And then I realized I'm next to a place where they make mulch. Anyways, it smells kind of gross. Just a helpful tip for today, don't waste material. As you can see, I got more than I need on this roll, so I'm going to cut this down. Probably like 8 inches off. And I can use that in the future for a rear bumper or something. Got everything on but the front lower. Anybody else get burnt out on their job? Or is it just me? Been doing this for like 13 years. I really enjoy it, but at times I think, is this it? Is this what I'm doing for the rest of my life? You know, I guess that's what people in their mid-30s think about. Took a little break so that they can fix the bumper. I ate my lunch, beef jerky and pistachios, gas station lunch, with Gatorade, the yellow one, because that's the best one. Made a bunch of calls and answered text messages and stuff. Anybody else out there an introvert trying to run a business? Just gotta do this lower part right here and call it a day and go home. Alright, got this on, it's rolled over, cut right in the seam. Now I just gotta trim this, cut the lights out. Yeah, almost done. It's actually kind of cool, I got a nice breeze right now. Just want to share a helpful tip. If you get a bubble, a bubble with water in it, that's pretty big, you can use one of these little syringes to get it out. Just to poke it and then squeegee it out, or you can poke it and suck it out. And yes, installers get bubbles every once in a while. Came out really good, this whole thing. Took pretty much all day, probably like 5-6 hours. And yeah, so if you have a motorhome and you want to do this, hit me up, email me. hire me. I'm in Orange County and Inland Empire areas. All right, I finished going through the tunnel. It's kind of cool. It smells in here where all they pick up mulch and stuff. Ugh, stinks in my car now. Anyways, finished that motorhome. Man, that was pretty cool. See, I knew I could do it. First RV in the books. So if you have an RV, I'm RV certified now. That's all it takes. You just gotta do one and done. Anyways, yeah, if you like this type of content, you want to see some more stuff, let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe if you're not already. That'd be really cool, and like it. I would appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.